Okay, continuing with our lesson. That is in Excel, designing a worksheet. Now in Excel, previously I have taught you how to create a table or how to prepare your work in Excel. Okay, so after preparing your table or whatever work in your Excel, you can format your worksheet. The worksheet can be presented in an effective and colorful way by changing the font style or the color of a cell. This is called formatting. Formatting means you can change the font color, that is, font is nothing but the writing color, writing style and the writing. Okay, the writing in your book it is given, make the, see, to change the font style and font color, select the cell, click home tab and click on font group. Then formatting, making the following choice. Font should be Cosmic Sans MS, size should be 14, style should be bold and color will be blue. Okay, then after that I will show you when I will do your work how to change. You can format the border after writing or after creating a table. You can format the border of your table. Then you can give the background color. You can change the background color. Then conditional formatting also you can do. That is in your book it is given, conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a feature which allows you to format the data that meets certain applied condition. Okay, certain highlighted words. Okay, so this is how you can do. I will show you how to do your formatting work. See, I have type 1 table. I have type 1 table for you. Formatting, see this Excel sheet, these lines you can see, that lines when you take a print out, that line will not come in your paper. This line is called as a grade line. This line is called as a grade line. So if you want to take a table on a printout on a paper, you have to format your table nicely with border color, align the numbers at the center of your column. Okay, align the numbers at the center of your column and give your border color. So I have type 1 table for you. So to do your formatting work, you have to select your table first. So take your mouse pointer at the name first, then keep your mouse pointer at the center, press your mouse and bring down. Select your table. Okay, select your table. Now change the writing. First one is you can change the writing. Change the writing of your table. Change the writing of your table. So you can see the writing behind when you change. There are different styles of writing here. I'll take caliber. Then change the size. Change the size. Then you can see here on top, when I have written English, maths, the words are hidden behind. What you do is just give a double click on this line here. See, the mouse pointer sign will change here. Double click. Okay. Or you can press your mouse on this line and make it big. Understood? Now the numbers should be at the center of your column. This is called as your column. These highlighted things are called as column, and this side it is called as row. So the numbers should be at the center of your table. Select your numbers. Select the numbers and click on center here. Left, right and center. The numbers are at the center. Understood? Then select the table. Select the table. select the table. Then down here you can see that is border, bottom border is given here, down arrow, just click on this drop down arrow, you can see here border, all border, click on all border. Okay, see, just click outside, remove the selection and you can see here all border. Got? Then you can change the border color. You can change the color of this writing also. Suppose if you want this name to be highlighted, change it into red color or blue color, whatever you want. This different subjects keep in the same color. Blue color. Name should be in different color and marks should be in black. Name, give the color of your name in different color. Okay. Okay. Understood or no? Then one more, this one is there. You can change the border color also. Select your table. Click on this drop down arrow here, home tab. Then line color is here. Line color. Line style also is there. See, line style. You want this double line or this two-ted line. Click. Select your table. Select your table first. Okay. Then click on format drop down area, format font. Format and font here it is there, drop down arrow is there. Then click on border, select your border from here, whichever border you want. Okay, then select the color, then click on outline here, you can see the preview here, then click on inside and click on OK. Okay, understood or no? Understood? So this is how you can format your table. Then one more thing is there, conditional formatting. Select your table. Conditional formatting is here. Say here. Click on OK. Got? Yes or no? So this is how you can format your worksheet. After preparing your table, you can format your worksheet nicely with border, background color, writing style, and so on. Okay, understood or no? Okay, this is there for this lesson now. Then we'll see in the next lesson.